Zach and Guido. They're cuddling together. Zach's also hanging out with Lovebug. Earlier today, he was trying to eat the Lovebug. Right now, he's just kind of hanging out with him. Lovebug was at the hospital to greet Zach when he was first born. You gonna try to eat Lovebug some more? Oh, great job, buddy. Great job there. I see that tongue. Giving Lovebug kisses. Giving Lovebug kisses. Hey there. Hey. What's going on, buddy? Big yawn. You just sleeping, Mr. Guido? Just kind of sleeping with your tail wagging in the background? You're very relaxed and happy puppy right now. Say bye, Zach. Thank you. Bye, everybody. Bye. Ooh, my arm is tasty. Not quite ready to say bye yet. Okay, now I'm ready to say bye. Bye.